Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today the date is 10th of June 2020. Class 10th English. DHSS Kumbrial. Teacher Muhammad Mudar Ahnger. Topic the necklace from page number 110. Yesterday we read that at last she managed to get a necklace from her friend, Ma'am Forrester. Today we will read what happened more and what she did for further. When she wore the necklace, she became pretty and she went with her husband reaching the ball. When she reached the ball in the ceremony, she felt herself beautiful. There she was more beautiful than other women. She looked prettiest one. And the other guests and officials who were present there, the officials and the guests who were present there, they made introduction with her. They came closer to her to discuss with her. And after that, she got a chance to dance. She danced in this ball. For they passed night there, they left earlier. They left earlier because she did not have such clothes which the other women have. She did not have such pretty, beautiful or costly clothes which the other woman had. So she tried to leave the home earlier, the ball earlier, and came to her home to hide her poverty. They hardly got courage to reach the home. They hardly got courage, यानी उनको कोई गाड़ी नहीं मिली, बड़ी मुश्किल से उन्हें एक रक्षा मिला तो वो घर पहुंच गए. She stood before mirror to have a last look of her beauty. When she reached home, she tried to see herself how beautiful she was. She stood before the mirror and tried to look her beautiful face and new clothes and the necklace she had taken from her friend. But when she looked in the mirror, she did not find the necklace on her neck. She uttered a cry. She uttered a cry. She was sorry what happened to her. Where was the necklace? She became very, very wondered. And she got annoyed to herself what brought her luck to her. Now she found it that she has lost the necklace. Husband asks her, "What is the matter? What happened to you? Why you are crying? What is the matter?" She replied that I have lost the necklace. They checked, they searched, made search in everything. New clothes, dress, bag, purse, pockets, but did not find the necklace. Mr. Loisel dressed again himself. Her husband dressed again himself and went from those ways, from those streets in search of this necklace, but all in vain. He reached the ball, she reached the ceremony, but he did not find the necklace. He returned home hopeless, in despair, and came to her wife saying that I did not find this necklace anywhere. He was very tired for the whole day in search of this necklace, and at 7 p.m. he reaches, after 12 hours at least, to his home. They wrote to friend that they have get necklace repaired. Now they made a trick to make her friend, Ma'am Forrester, to be believed that there was some damage, a little damage in the necklace, and they have sent this necklace for repairing. So she had to wait for a few days. Now they are going to manage how they can get such a good quality of necklace. Now they are trying to manage in what cost they can get the necklace, which they will give to her friend Mrs. Forrester. फिर हम इस स्टोरी को पढ़ते हैं, समझते हैं कि जब इसने अपने दोस्त से लाया हुआ हार पहना तो बहुत खूबसूरत ये बन गई। ये अपनी खूबसूरती पर नाज़ान थी। जब ये महफिल रक्स में पहुंची, वहाँ पर ये बहुत खूबसूरत थी। जो वहाँ पर ऑफिसर्स थे, दफ्तरी थे, मिनिस्टर्स थे, मेहमान थे, वो सब इसी की तरफ देख रहे थे। ये भी खुश थी, वो उसके साथ तारुफ कर रहे थे और ये अपनी खूबसूरती पर नाज़ान थी। इसे एक चांस मिला तो इसने वहाँ पर डांस किया। डांस में इतनी महव हो गई, इसे पता ही नहीं चला कि मेरा हार कहाँ से क्या हो गया। सुबह सवेरे ये निकले, इस वजह से कि इसके पास ऐसे कपड़े नहीं थे जो दूसरी औरतों की थे। उनसे शर्माती हुई ये सवेरी भाग गई और मुश्किल से इन्हें कुछ गाड़ी लिफ्ट मिला तो ये घर पहुँचे। घर पहुँचकर इसने सोचा कि मैं अपनी खूबसूरती को फिर एक बार देखूं। ये शीशे के सामने खड़ा हो गई तो क्या देखती है कि हार ही खो गया है। इसने एक चीख मारी। जब हस्बैंड ने पूछा क्या मामला है तो उसने बता दिया। वो बेचारा फिर कपड़े पहने हुए निकला, सुबह निकला, शाम को फिरा और खाली हाथ, उसने कुछ नहीं मिलाया। जिन गलियों से आए थे, जिन रास्तों से गए थे, नालियों से, हर जगह उसने ढूंढा तो हार नहीं मिला। अब घर आकर उन्होंने एक बहाना बनाया, एक मामूली सी चिट्ठी लिखी अपनी दोस्त को कि आपका हार जो उसको थोड़ा नुकसान हो चुका है, हमने वो जरगर के पास भेजा है, वो इसको ठीक करेगा 2-4 दिन के बाद। अब आपका वो हार हम वापस रिपेयर करके लाएंगे और बाद में अब ये सोचते हैं कि हम कैसे इंतज़ाम करेंगे। ये खूबसूरत और कीमती हार कहाँ से खरीदेंगे और कितने में खरीदेंगे। अब ये इसी चीज़ के पीछे लगे। बाकी अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाह।